Today, we're at Road America, and we're gonna drive this standard MX-5 Grand Touring ND3 out here on track. Getting towards the end of the day, so brakes have been hot for a while. We'll see how they feel. All right, we'll set off. This will be a good comparison versus my modified Miata. This ND3 does feel quicker. Of course, we've got the updated differential, the steering for 2025 and 2026. Brakes still feel nice. Power is nice and balanced. Soft rev limiter at about 7,500 RPM. Got our right entry into this chicane here. A lot of body roll. Ah, it's such a good car. Traction and stability control mode. This ND3 is so much easier to drive. It's still very progressive, but not as snappy as the ND1 and ND2 was in stock form. Still lots of body roll here, but again, it's progressive. Brakes feel awesome out here. All right, guys, there you go. Bog standard stock Miata. Still a great time on a racetrack, easier to drive and more progressive than ever, but still, you feel like you're just rotating around your hips in this thing. On a knife's edge. As of filming this, I still haven't tracked my personal Miata yet. We'll get to do that in a couple days. So we'll see how this compares, but it's good to get a baseline with the stock 26 ND3 Grand Touring, and we'll go from there. All right, we're gonna put this in first, turn the engine off, and that's it. Love this interior color too. This is beautiful. Just a few more niceties with the Grand Touring, but I love that they give you the diff. I think after 2021 or 2019, the diff was standard in all Grand Tourings, which is how it should be.